Advocacy TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ka District Congress Committee jangka Southwest Khasi Hills. Hapok ka jingalam jang President ubakan pham khalingdo kala Pynrem jur ya ka Sorkar Pdeng. Da ka baong ba ka shulet tokmen batle Meinah ki Samla ki bayaki hajantar mantar ha New Delhi. Halor ka jingla tu jang ki jingkali ka examinin UG da ka baong bala shubom shutin iki Samla lakum ki maran. Ubakan pham ula Pynrem ru ya ka jingra jubo jong ki pulit ka Delhi yaw nong yalam jong ka liang persha Rahul Gandhi. Hadian baki MP ka Seng Congress kila pelong ya ka jinga ki shabar ka yengsa jong menterang ba adu kari Narendra Modi. Ha ka juga por ka Youth Congress Committee jong ka Southwest Khasi Hills kala Pynrem jur yaw Youth President ka Bjym Samla mewan care lingdo pangma halo ka jingkeno bawla kan tho to men yeki Samla ki barang yeki Delhi ban shusiat yap amtang ban shusiat dakitia gas.
We gathered here to solidarity that we want to stand together with the students who are protesting the paper leaks against the paper leaks of NEET, GE, NET exam, and so on and so forth. As we have seen that on 20th July 2026, there is agitation in Jantar Mantar, and it's so unfortunate that from the government they have lathi charge, they have fire tear gas against students who are gathered in Jantar Mantar, and this inhuman done by the government, BJP government, against the students who are protesting against the right. It's so unfortunate and it's unacceptable. So this is the party congress who stood along with the student all along since the very beginning. As you have seen, Rahul Gandhi in so many places he has gone to protest on this paper leaks, everywhere. You have seen he has gone to West Bengal, he has gone to Rajasthan, he has gone to Uttarakhand, he has gone to everywhere in the country to protest against the paper leak. And you have seen that the students all over the country, they came together, they protest against it, and it's also unfortunate that we have seen that there are around 29 students who have been suicided, who have died because of this. After they realized that their future has been shattered by the paper leak. It has been done by the government. So as we gathered today, we from the Southwest Khasi Hills Congress Committee, we condemn, and we as a responsible citizen of the Southwest Khasi Hills district, we stand for the student, we stand for our children, we are standing for our nephews, our niece, and our relatives who have prepared the different exams. So we also, at the same time, we are protesting against that the illegal detain by the police, New Delhi police, against our leader of opposition, Sri Rahul Gandhi, yesterday, and who is protesting against the government who are doing inhuman against the student at Jantar Mantar. We from the Southwest Khasi Hills District Congress, along with the party congress as a whole in India, we will stand for the student and we will fight for the rights. At the same time, also, we are against this dictatorship mindset by the BJP government. At the same time, also, we demand the immediate release of all the students without any condition. At the same time, also we also demand that the resignation of Honorable Education Minister Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, and we also demand that the government should allow that the issues of paper leak should be discussed in Parliament.
Ba gitip kana ka jing khi kana ka jing khi ka ba leng jugi ngisnya ba kana ka jing khi ka ba somya ka jing khi ka ba ladangi island ba kana ka sorkar kan sule kan bomon gi ba ka we jo ki samla kan long ka badong te ka banta ka ban kong ka ba ngi don lang kana ka long ka ta ka ba ngi ai ka jing kesan ni ai ko full support ka ta jo ki samla ki barang ha ka jing khi la ka banta kana ka jing lek ki jing kli ki of the example pair. They kumagalong ka jing ki Asia po India idon la ka jong ka hok concern of India ka ai ni kata ka hok ba ngila ba ni ki da ka ba jai jai dan rai kumangi i mata hapo jantar mata ni i ba ka sorkar ka kerdam no what a concern ka India ka ba sha ba ni ki lai lot te takadaw na kalang jugi Pynrem jo ka jing lai jong sorkar po jong singlam jong ka parti BJP but kumba kalong mentang i kumba sorkar kalau kerdam ya ka demokrasi kumba kalau pelong ya ka beri kejungi ka ba kalong kumba kada sorkar i kalong ka sorkar diktator kompresu ka sorkar demokrasi kumba kada po India para juga por na kalang jungi kumka di segi kongres ki Pynrem juro kawai na ki statement hapo juga social media ka ba lai da presiden juga BJP ka Samla juga BJP udah ba me wakar lendo pakma hajaka nak lanjui nak kami lenti ba Samla na po jong ka state ga jungi Asia kindai maki badlong kita ki nongra kubor ki bania krenlem na kamta jong ka isu ka bakta Samla tangrengi iba ne u presiden hajaka ba un yarablam suka krenlem unang aideng penban penflut penban mana kalian jungi ngidawa ba ne u presiden juga BJP yuruing juga mikla state mundai mungkin ka sorkar kamdai ban ajem sorkar mikla kamdai ban sajem ka jungu nama bang iba wan ra ya ka kata ka ki content bu Ukraine hapo jong ki social media la pung bau perlem te sakoi pat na kalian jungi ngi dawa madon na ka sorkar India kamtam ba kini ki samla ki bai khi ante po jantar meta ki khi nam ta ka hok ka joki de ngasnya ba kamde ka hok ba ni kem ki ni dawa mador ka sorkar India ba kan plan na ki ne barok ki wala sakem marman ai no ki ka hok na kam ta joki kum ba ki dawa na klem tungi ka sen kongres kum ba ngila ya na do ki ki banai ki baladep sedang ya ka ji khi abade ba ka jinglik jong ki question paper ha ka net exam te yi dawa he ka jo mar na kalian juga ni dawa ro ba u education minister jo ka union education minister jo sorkar India ada umla ba ya kan ka mat ka ba ta ya ka yap ka em jo ki samla jo ka ri hi bor ko ude ban yar suti no mar do ha jo ko por ni bu ro ka jing dawa ba u prime minister jo ka India ku mu khle do jo ka sorkar ude ban sin kha mar do re ka kam malada usnya bu umla ka bha bu ya no da suki usha.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.